Hey, what's up, y'all? Matt, Dlux, DluxFab.com. Just showcasing these 1.9 aluminum high clearance wheels today. These are standard 28mm wide version. These are aluminum, bead lock. You got 48mm of clearance that way on the inside. 21mm this way. Here's how it goes together. I got 6 screws, 6 bolts. There's the face, outside barrel, inner barrel. Nice and light, 36, 37 grams, I believe, something like that. It's not too terrible amount of Proline bead on. If you know, you know. It'll fight you a little bit, but not bad. That's what I'm about to do here in a minute. Here's one mounted on a Super Swamper. Tires were sanded yesterday. You can pretty them up a little more, but I'm gonna run this truck. I'm not worried about it being exactly perfect. All right, thanks guys. See ya. Bead in, pick which side you want out. That one. It's got grooves. Pull the tire back a little bit around the ring. Get it. Doesn't want to slide home. Sticky tire. There we go. Get that in there good. Y'all need to watch me fight that bead in there. You know how that goes. Keep that popped out. Then you know it's sitting where it's supposed to be. There you go. Thanks.